welcome you all. I hope you all are doing well. So let's begin with chapter number 39 of GK for class 1, and the name of the chapter is describing words. So we all know कि कुछ ऐसे words होते हैं जो हमारी personality को describe करते हैं, right? So उन words को कहा जाता है describing words. So इस chapter में हम लोग उन्हीं describing words के बारे में पढ़ने वाले हैं, right? So let's begin with this. Fill in the blanks using the correct describing words from the list given below. So हमें यहाँ पर fill in the blanks के form में कुछ sentences दिए हुए हैं और कुछ list दी हुई हैं describing words की, as you can see over here, right? So हमें इन sentences में, इन fill ups में, इन describing words में से suitable word choose करके यहाँ पर लिखना है, right? So let's begin with the first one. So the first statement is the squirrel has a dash tail. So we all know that a squirrel has a bushy tail, right? So we all will write bushy over here. B-U-S-H-Y, bushy. After that, the second statement is everyone has heard of Shah Rukh Khan. We all know that Shah Rukh Khan is a very famous actor, right? So he is a dash actor. So we all can write popular over here, right? Popular is also a describing word. So we'll write popular over here. Next, we have my mother cooks very dash food. So as we can see in the options, we have tasty over here and it is suiting to the situation. So we'll write tasty. Next, Ravi respects his parents. He is a dash boy. So Ravi जो है वो अपने parents की बहुत ही ज़्यादा respect करता है. So we all can say that he is a good boy, right? So we have good in the given options. So we'll write good over here. Next, Seema likes to play with dash dolls. So what kind of describing word we can write here? We can write pretty, right? So Seema likes to play with pretty dolls. Next, Sameer never shares his toys. So Sameer जो है वो अपने toys कभी share नहीं करता. So he is a dash boy. So वो किस kind का boy हुआ? So we can find from the options that he is a selfish boy, right? So we'll write selfish over here. Next, on the first day of school, our teacher gave us all a dash welcome. So welcome जो है वो बहुत ही ज़्यादा प्यार से दिया जाता है and we can use warm as a describing word in this statement. So we are going to write warm over here. Next, when I have a cold, mother gives me a bowl of dash soup. So mother obviously she will give a bowl of hot soup and we are given hot over here as a describing word. So we are going to write hot in this sentence. Hot. After that, the master's on my bed is very, the mattress on my bed is very, so the mattress on the bed can be very soft, right? So we all can write soft over here, S-O-F-T, soft. Next, when it is very cold, I wear a dash cardigan. So we all can write thick in this statement. So let's write thick over here. T-H-I-C-K, thick. So that's all for this chapter. I hope you all have learned. So that's all for this chapter. I hope you all have learned a lot about the describing words, that where they can be used. So that's all for this. Thank you so much and have a good day ahead.